Technics SB-F5 Linear Phase Speaker System. Installation of your speaker system. The sound reproduced by a speaker system is easily influenced by such factors as room acoustics and the place where it is placed in the room. Before finally deciding upon the place where the speaker systems are to be placed, in general, if a speaker system is placed on the floor, near a corner, or near a wall, the level of the bass sound will be increased by the reflections of the sounds from the wall and floor. Consequently, it is possible to adjust the bass sound to some extent by changing the distance between the speaker systems and the wall and/or floor. Determine the location of the speaker systems which gives the best sound reproduction, therefore, depending upon the actual conditions of the room in which they are to be used. If the speaker system faces toward a hard wall or a glass door or window, it is recommended that curtains or similar material be used in order to prevent undesirable resonance and sound reflection, especially of the treble sound. Speaker vibration can cause howling in your turntable if speakers and turntable are positioned close together, or if they occupy the same stand or shelf. This howling can be effectively prevented by placing a cushioning material, felt, etc., or concrete blocks below the speaker systems and turntable. Connecting the speaker system. Be sure to turn off the power of the amplifier before connecting the speaker systems to it. The impedance of this speaker system is 8 ohms. Be sure that the load impedance of the amplifier to be used is 416 ohms. When connecting speaker wires to the amplifier, be sure that the left and right connections and the plus and minus connections are made correctly. 1. Strip about 15 mm of the insulation from the wire, and then twist the core. 2. Loosen the terminal knob by turning it counterclockwise. 3. Twist the wire around the terminal, and then tighten the terminal securely. Note: be sure that the core wires don't touch each other. Power handling capacity. The power handling capacity of this unit is indicated in the specifications, and is determined according to the temperature increase of the voice coils. If the amplifier to be used has an output power which exceeds the power handling capacity of this unit, be sure that the amplifier's volume control is set so that excessive input is not applied to the speaker system. Even if the amplifier to be used has an output power which is less than the power handling capacity of this unit, the output of the amplifier will become distorted and excessive input will be applied to the speaker units, especially for the middle and high frequencies, if the input signals to the amplifier are too large or the amplifier volume level is too high. Also note that higher than normal power is applied to the speaker systems if the tone controls of an amplifier or a frequency equalizer are used to raise the level of bass and/or treble sounds. When adjusting the volume level, therefore, do so with great care, confirming that amplifier output is not distorted. The power handling capacity of this unit is set for reproduction of ordinary music. If an oscillator or test record is used to produce a continuous signal such as a sine wave, etc., a signal exceeding 2 watts must never be applied. Usually, 1 watt of sine wave is enough to test a speaker system when an oscillator or test disc is used. If the following special types of signals are applied to the speaker system, be sure to reduce the volume level of the amplifier. 1. Interstation hiss on the FM broadcast band. 2. Output from a tape deck during fast forward or rewind. 3. Acoustic feedback from a microphone or an electric musical instrument. 4. Shock noise which occurs when input or output connection cords are connected or disconnected or when a phono cartridge is replaced. Specifications. Type: two-way two-speaker bass reflex system. Speakers: woofer, 18 cm, cone type. Tweeter, horn type. Impedance, 8 ohms. Input power, 70 watts music, 35 watts DIN. Output sound pressure level, 90 dB per watt, 1.0 m. Crossover. Frequency, 6.000 Hz. Frequency range, 70 Hz 20 kHz minus 10 dB, 52 Hz 24 kHz minus 16 dB. Dimensions 20 by 32.1 by 20.2 centimeters. Weight 3.1 kilograms.
I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya. Don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Never gonna stop.